How much does voluntary liquidation cost? If your company is insolvent, you may need to place it into creditors' voluntary liquidation. To do this, you'll need to engage the services of a licensed insolvency practitioner. They'll quote anywhere from £4,000 to £8,000, depending on who you use. Their fee will also be based on the amount of work involved. So the cost of liquidating a non-trading sole director-shareholder business with no assets and a bounce-back loan will be less than a live trading business with 20 staff, several trading locations, and significant assets. How to pay for the cost of a creditor's voluntary liquidation. You can use funds still in the company, or sell assets owned by the company, or if there are no cash or assets in the company, you can use your own personal funds. Remember that any funds you pay in now will reduce your overdrawn director's loan account balance, if you have one. Most company directors don't know that they may be able to claim statutory redundancy when the company is liquidated. If you've been on the payroll for 2 years and worked over 16 hours a week, you could make a claim. The average claim is £9,000, so more than enough to cover the costs. So what, you may ask, does an insolvency practitioner actually do? Well, there is quite a lot of work to do, even on a small job with no assets. The IP's job is to provide initial advice to the directors, help directors prepare a report and statement of affairs which is issued to creditors, prepare the necessary paperwork to ensure the correct legal procedure is followed to place the company into liquidation, i.e. board meetings, shareholders meetings and creditors meeting. Once appointed as liquidator, they will notify creditors and relevant authorities, realise company assets, agree creditor claims, distribute any surplus funds in the correct order of priority, investigate the reasons for failure, undertake various other reporting duties to creditors, government authorities and Companies House. If there are sufficient asset realisations, a liquidator will seek approval from creditors for payment of remuneration. I hope this has been helpful. You can get more information on our website or by calling the number shown below.